Hello, my friend. Welcome back to the podcast. My name is Leo, and I am so glad you are spending some time with me today. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever been in a conversation? Someone asks you something in English, and suddenly your brain freezes. You know exactly what you want to say. In your native language, you are smart, you are funny, you are expressive. But inside your head, your brain is working like a frantic computer. You take the English words you heard, you translate them into your language, you think of a smart answer in your language, and then you try to translate it word by word back into English. By the time your brain finishes all that heavy lifting, the conversation has already moved on. You just smile, nod, and feel incredibly frustrated. First, take a deep breath. Let it out. It is completely okay. You are not stupid. You are not bad at English. Your brain is just using an outdated habit. Today, we are going to break that habit. We are going to train your brain to stop translating and start thinking directly in English. This is a 20-minute audio workout. I will speak clearly and smoothly. At times, I will ask you to repeat after me, and at other times, I will ask you to just close your eyes and visualize. Are you ready? Let's do this. To fix a problem, we must understand it. Why does your brain translate? When you first learned English, you probably used flashcards or textbooks. You learned that word A in your language equals word B in English. For example, you learned the word for apple. Your brain built a bridge from the object to your native language to the English word. That bridge is too long. We need to burn that bridge. We need to connect the object directly to the English word. Think about a baby. A baby doesn't translate. A baby looks at a furry animal that barks, hears the mother say dog, and boom, the concept connects to the sound. Today, we are going back to basics, but for adults. We are going to build a direct connection between your senses, your eyes, your feelings, and English words. No middleman, no native language allowed in the room. Let's begin level 1. This is called naming your world. I am going to say an English word. I do not want you to think of the translation. Instead, I want you to picture the real item in your mind. If I say coffee, do not think of the word for coffee in your language. Smell the coffee. See the black liquid in a warm mug. Feel the heat in your hands. Let's try it. I will say the word, then leave a pause. In that pause, picture it, feel it, and then say the word out loud. Sky. See the blue, see the clouds. Good. Keys. Hear the metallic sound of keys jingling in your pocket. Rain. Feel the cold drops hitting your skin. Wonderful. Now, let's upgrade this. We are going to build simple 2-word chains. Don't think about grammar rules. Just link the feeling to the words. Repeat after me. Hot coffee. Heavy rain. Blue sky. See? Your brain didn't have time to translate. You just saw a blue sky and you said blue sky. You are already doing it. Now, let's move to level 2. We are going to connect English directly to your internal feelings. When you are tired, your brain naturally thinks of the word for tired in your native language. We are going to rewire that trigger. Imagine you just finished an exhausting 10-hour shift at work. Your shoulders are heavy. Your eyes want to close. Feel that exhaustion right now. Don't translate the feeling. Just let the English word slide over it. Repeat after me. I'm exhausted. Let's say it again, but put the real feeling into your voice. Squeeze your eyes a little bit. Man, I am so tired. Now, change the emotion. Imagine you just won a prize. You are filled with sudden energy. You want to jump. Let that feeling trigger these words. Repeat after me. No way! This is awesome! Say it like you mean it. This is awesome! Do you notice what we're doing? We are bypassing the language center of your brain and attaching English directly to your nervous system. When you feel a certain way, the English phrase should pop out like a reflex.
This is level 3, the shadowing reflex. I am going to tell you a very short, simple story about my morning. I will speak at a slow, deliberate pace. I want you to shadow me. That means you try to say the words almost at the exact same time as me, or just a syllable behind me. Copy my melody, copy my rhythm, copy my pauses. Do not stop to analyze the meaning of a sentence. If you don't know a word, let it go. Keep moving with my voice. Ready? Let's go. This morning, I woke up early. The house was very quiet. I walked to the kitchen and opened the window. The morning air was crisp and cool. I stood there for a minute, just breathing it in. Then I made myself a fresh cup of tea. It was a perfect start to the day. Incredible! If you kept up with me, your brain was too busy copying my pronunciation and rhythm to even think about translating. You were living in the English language for that entire minute. We are reaching the end of today's brain training session. But the training doesn't stop when this podcast ends. Here is your homework for today. It takes exactly 30 seconds, and you can do it anywhere. Sometime today, look around the room you are in. Choose 3 objects you see. Don't translate them. Just look at them, feel their shape with your eyes, and name them out loud in English. Chair, window, phone. Do this every day. Force your brain to make direct connections. The more you practice this, the smaller that translation bridge becomes, until one day, it completely disappears. Thank you so much for training your brain with me today. You are doing a fantastic job, and I am incredibly proud of your dedication. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the channel, leave a review, and share it with a friend who is also tired of translating in their head. Until next time, keep it simple, keep practicing, and just let the language flow. This is Leo, signing off. Bye-bye.